Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today we are diving into a sensitive but important topic, virginity and menstrual cups. Actually, there is a myth regarding the use of menstrual cups. The myth is like this: if you insert a menstrual cup, you will lose your virginity. So this is the myth regarding the use of menstrual cups. And this is only a myth, this is not the truth. So in this video, we are going to bust the myth using the knowledge of science, anatomy and logic. Let's dive in. Virginity, this is not a medical condition. Rather, this is a social or cultural concept often tied to whether someone has had sexual intercourse. Okay? And actually, there is no universal or scientific test for virginity. And it doesn't define your worth, purity or dignity. Actually, all confusions come from a thin membrane just located inside the vaginal opening. Name of that membrane is Hymen. So according to some people, if your hymen is intact, that means you are a virgin. And if it is not intact, that means if it is torn, in that case you are not virgin. You have already lost your virginity. So this is according to some people, not this is the opinion of all the people. Especially educated or highly educated people don't believe this concept. Actually, there are so many cases or there are so many chances from which your hymen can tear or stretch, like sports, cycling, gymnastics, then dancing. Even if you insert tampons or menstrual cups, in that case also, there is a chance of tearing or stretching of the hymen. And again, many people are there who are born without a hymen. Yes, many people are there. Okay, so anyway, there are so many things regarding the concept of virginity you can see. Actually, whenever you are, yes, there is a chance. If you are using a menstrual cup, so there is a chance of tearing of the hymen, there is a chance of stretching of the hymen, but that has nothing to do with sexual activity. You are inserting menstrual cup for your periods, so that doesn't mean sexual activity. And since this is not a sexual activity, that means you are not losing your virginity. Okay, and there are so many benefits of using menstrual cups, like protection up to 12 hours, long lasting protection for up to 12 hours, no dryness or rashes if you use menstrual cups. Menstrual cups are eco-friendly and budget saving, and great for physical activities and daily freedom. So many benefits are there of using menstrual cups. And even if you are using menstrual cups and your hymen, means if there is a damage to your hymen, in that case you have not lost your virginity. No way, because this is not a sexual activity. Or more specifically, this is not a kind of sexual intercourse. Okay. Anyway, so just now you know the truth. Okay. And one more thing is what? If you are going to use menstrual cups for the first time, or if you are a teenager, if you don't have any experience, so for such persons, for such people, softer menstrual cups are available. Okay, softer menstrual cups are available. So you can look for teen-friendly or beginner menstrual cups. Okay, and I have linked such a product in the description. You can also buy from there, the same product. Okay, and this is especially for the beginners or for the teenagers. Or if you are going to use the product for the first time, in that case you should buy a softer product. Okay, software products are also available. Products for teenagers or product for beginners are also available. Anyway, so this was all about today's video. This is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, thanks for watching.